Get him, big man.
Oh,
I got this one.
oh my God.
Get him, get him, get him. He's pulling us toward the fish. Real while you pull, don't give it any slack. You got a big one.
Oh my.
He's got a big one, ladies and gentlemen.
Okay, lift him, lift him, lift him.
Get him closer, get him closer.
You're gonna have to lift this guy.
Get him closer. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness!
Redemption! Okay, okay, redemption for the...
Now,
My rod was bending so much.
now what'd you say?
Oh my God!
Okay, all right, yeah, that's what you said. Yeah, this is the result.
Redemption!
Hold him, keep him over the boat. All right, so how much is it? How big is it?
7.6 pounds, right here. Personal best. Not lying, of course. You can see how big this thing is.
What'd you catch it on?
I caught it actually on a Senko with nothing else, just a hook and a Senko.
Awesome, awesome.
Pink and black.
All right, let's watch you put it away. Go where it can go live another day.
There you go. There you go.
It's gone.
Yeah.